Welcome to Cooking with Ocraft, and today we are making a Lego pizza. You're gonna need
cheese, gluten-free pizza dough, sausages, water, and tomato.
With all the spices already in it. A tray, some tin foil and parchment paper on it, and a cutting board and a knife, and a bowl and a spoon.
Put this one in first.
And you're gonna want to put half a cup of water in there. Then you want to stir it until it becomes doughy. In the meantime, you're going to want to cut up the sausages. So yes, after you finish cutting up your sausages and mixing your dough, you want to cover it in flour and you want to put it on the pan. Now you can start kneading it. Keep on kneading it back and forth. Stop eating the sausages!
I didn't eat it! I thought.
After you finish kneading it, carefully, which we are not done kneading it yet.
You want to take a rolling pin. You need to add a little bit of flour.
You want to roll it?
Yes.
Okay. You want to roll it back and forth. After kneading it and using your rolling pin and flattening it until it is like rectangle shape, what you want to do is you want to preheat the oven to 155 degrees.
You want to put it in there for 9 to 11 minutes. Then when it's golden brown or something like that, when it's very crispy on the inside, on the dough,
we're going to take it out and we're going to make it look like an actual Lego brick. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for staying with us at Ocraft. So now what we're going to be doing is now it's back this brown golden color-ish. You want to take your tomato sauce and you want to spread it evenly. Next thing you want to do is you want to grab some cheese. You want to sprinkle with your hand, little by little, the cheese. You don't just pour it all, apparently. It's going to resemble a Lego base plate more than anything. Then, after covering the entire pizza with cheese, more or less, graciously, spread the cheese. You want to take your cut up sausages and want to place them in rows. That way it looks like a Lego, like the Lego studs that are on top. And it's going to end up looking like a Lego base plate. We have it, our Lego base plate, which now we're going to put back in the oven and see how it goes. Hope you guys stay tuned till then. You want to put the timer to 13 minutes. 13. Thank you so much for cooking with us, and we'll see the finished product. Come back. Bye. Welcome back. And as you can see, we have the finished product right here. The pizza that looks like Lego, kind of. Lego base plate in some ways. You have the little studs. You have the Lego interspersed, and I can't wait to cut this thing up, and then we can eat a delicious meal. And also, we'd like to have some salad with it, which also is something else you can do. Or you can have many other things. Thank you again so much for watching the video. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe to this channel. And share the video with all your friends. Thank you so much. And Ocraft out.